the heavy losses which the firm has to absorb this year are almost enough to exhaust its resources. Full stop. The firm has had a series of poor years. Full stop. Do you now the causes of these successive losses? Question mark. The firm itself gives several reasons. Full stop. All among नहीं सिर्फ among them are the steady rise in costs and higher taxes. Full stop. What is the basis for your appeal to have your state taxes reduced? Question mark. I am sorry to lose your services, but as I have already said, you have my best wishes for your success. Full stop. I shall always be happy to receive news of your doings. Full stop. Our pipes are nicely boxed and we know it will pay you to put some of them in your showcases or in your windows. Full stop. We have to make a small charge for the boxes. Full stop. The Times successfully appeals each year
successfully के बाद क्या
for money for ready cases, and it rises a large sum for the purposes of charity. Full stop. Aid is as necessary this year as in the past. Full stop. I think the charges for these posters are excessive, and I wish to satisfy myself to the necessity for the high fees paid to the artists. Full stop. If you insist, we shall pay the fees ourselves, but the artists themselves think the charges are low for this type of job.